chickens will eat the little pieces of broccoli. So you can see the broccoli on the ground. The chickens do not seem particularly interested. Oh, it looks like Coco might be having a little nibble. Maybe she's more interested in looking to see what's going on. No. Maybe Hedwig will take a little piece of broccoli, or she'll just keep eating the mulch that's in the chicken pen. And you can see Scarlet at the back. She is completely uninterested. Okay, broccoli. Fail.
So this is the next day, and the broccoli is still inside of the chicken coop. They seem completely, they just don't care at all about these pieces of broccoli. So that's all we have for today. And yes, our chickens do not like broccoli. Maybe your guys' chickens, if you have any, will like broccoli. So try it out. See if they like it. Always trying to find new foods for our chickadees. And goodbye.